In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add random friends in Monopoly Go and how it all works. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to expand your circle within the game beyond just your contacts, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into this straightforward process together. First, you'll want to navigate over to the Friends tab, which you can find nestled at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll quickly notice that there isn't an option to add friends randomly right off the bat. This is because the default settings prioritize connections already from your contacts, or they allow you to invite new friends by sending them an invitation link directly. Now you might be asking, how do I actually make random friends in this game? Well, here's where the interaction with other players becomes important. As you play, you'll have opportunities to engage with various players in different ways. For instance, when you attack someone's bank or manage to shut them down multiple times, those players will start appearing as suggested friends in your game. At this point, you'll have the option to hit the Add button, which sends them a friend request directly. Another route to consider is letting other players find and add you. For instance, as you play and interact with different players, they too might choose to add you based on their encounters with you on the board. When they decide to add you as a friend, you'll receive their friend request in that same Friends tab we talked about earlier. In essence, the secret sauce here is all about interaction. The more you engage with different players during the game, the more chances you'll have for these random friend suggestions to pop up. So if you're not keen on expanding your friend list with contacts from your phone, leveraging these in-game interactions is your go-to strategy for making random connections. I hope this guide has been both informative and useful for enhancing your Monopoly Go experience. If it did help, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more insightful tips. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.